Welcome guys to the class style for me to show you how I did a butterfly shape. So welcome again to this collaboration where Mom Das hosts every month, and I'm so happy to be on board. And guys, I know you are familiar with this fabric. This was the remainder of the piece that I did the skirting with, and I'm going to show you how you utilize any pieces that you have to make something useful. And guys, I am just going, it's already the width and the length that I need because it's just a small window over my toilet area. And I'm just going to put a 1.5 inch bottom hem and a 1/2 inch side hem. So I have this small window, louvers, above the toilet area, and I just want to cover it with the blind that I'll be making. I want to run a piece of strip across it up because the louvers is very close to the ceiling. So I'm just going to run a strip of wood across the top and drill it into the wall so that I would use that strip as the rod for the valance that I'll be making here. This is what's on top of the shelf, so I'll move all these things, clean up this area, and then I'll share it with you guys. So this is a piece of cedar strip, a 10-foot length that I bought, and I asked the hardware to cut it 24 inches for me because that's the width that I need for the top. And I will get it painted. I'm painting it in white, and for it to blend in with everything else. So here it's painted white. I'll let it dry and continue on with sharing with you. So it's pressed, and I'm going to take it to the machine and get it sewn. I'll just cut off this piece here. I like to do the bottom hems and then the side hems. It makes a neater look. So sewing up the pieces, and then I will just continue on with the rest. So what I'll be doing is using the board and placing Velcro strips on it and also on the fabric, and attaching it to the board for you to see now. Now I put Velcro on it. Again, I didn't put the Velcro straight throughout. I just rest it on top of my drawer here, and then I Velcroed the top of the piece. So it's just to lay it onto it and everything folds nicely. Now on the two ends here, I'm going to screw it into the existing screws in the wall, or I can just put a little hook to hold it in place. So it has 3 holes, and I've set my ribbons in. Now if this was wider, I would have used the 3 ribbons, but I don't need the center ribbon, so I'm left with 2. So I'm going to lay it flat and show you how I fold it up. All I'm doing is pleating. I'm using like about a 4-inch size. I'm just pleating or folding up what's like this. When I think this is what I want, I'm just going to use the 2 ribbons on the ends and just tie it up. Now you can do it in a bow or you can do it in a knot. It's totally up to you. When I place it where I want it, then I will decide if I want to put it into a bow. Now this is very simple. Again, I just knot it. So this is what I'm left with. Remember, I could have put one in the center, but it's too narrow to take one in the center. So I can always just rest some nice element here. And this is how it looks. 2 screws on the ends, and I'm going to screw it into the wall. So guys, this is how it looks. I put a screw into the 2 sides. Remember, I said it's up against the ceiling here. and I folded. I did dovetail my ends. I love to do that. You know, guys, these are so simple to do, very easy, with any ends of fabric that you may have. I also had an existing last panel because it was two, and I used it on the side
So
here.
it's on.
I installed
I have
my
to
tension rod.
And the tension rod, you just wind it into place and it holds very nicely. And you see it goes together with the butterfly shade. So all I'm going to do is just pull. I did change the blue that I previously had. I'm just going to pull it to the side and tie it. I just tied it with the same silver ribbon to the side. And it goes nicely with my sheet. So this is how everything turned out. As you come into the bathroom, I have a lovely bath time sign. I will show you that in the 2020, how I did that. And my lovely butterfly shade. And the shelves with also these DIYs that I will share with you in the upcoming new hair. So I love my dark tones still together with my lighter tones. This is a new mirror. It's just a simple mirror, but I love how it looked. And of course, this piece that complements everything else. So my completed set. So I hope you have enjoyed my videos for the past 2019, and this is going to be my final video for 2019, and I will see you in 2020, guys, where we'll be sharing a lot more. So I hope you have enjoyed. I hope you stick around. I will see you in a couple weeks, and enjoy all that you have to enjoy. Be safe, be smart, and I love you guys, and thanks for always being on my channel and being positive and always sharing and caring with me. So thanks again, and I will see you very soon. And thanks to Mom Das for this lovely collaboration she have started, and I hope she continue in 2020. So all blessings to you, Mom Das, and all the other participants who have participated in sharing their skills with you. So hope to see you soon, guys, and bye for now. Stay blessed now, and I'll catch you later. Bye, guys.